In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress and reduce the image size of your photos on your mobile. So the first thing we're going to do is just head over to the Photos app, and then from here you'll need to select the photo that you want to reduce. Once you've selected your photo, click on the share icon in the bottom left hand side, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Save to Files. From here, select the folder where you want to save this image to. Now it doesn't matter too much where you save this as long as it's in your files, so I'm just going to click Save in the top right hand side. Once you've saved your image, you can then head over to the Files app on your phone. If you're not sure where this is located, then just use the search feature to search for files, and from the Files app you need to locate the image that we just saved. Once you've located your image, what we're going to do is just hold down on the image with your finger like so, and then at the bottom of this menu click on Quick Actions, then select Convert Image and press JPEG. Now all you need to do is select an image size. The smaller image size you pick, the better reduction that you're going to get. Now for a healthy balance between reduction and image size, I'm going to select medium. And as you can see, my original image size was 400 kilobytes, and just by converting that, it's reduced it to 86 kilobytes. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.